Hello guys, welcome to Amalo's Diary. This is tutorial on human vomit effect, visual effect. You can vomit anything, maybe human, snake, anything at all. Alright, so let's go to the tutorial. This is how you record your video. First of all, you mount your tripod stand, then walk in and jump up. Jump up and do like you fell down, then look around. You can move out of the camera or you can decide to stay anyhow. That's the first clip. Then the second clip, you bring in a chair with your cup of water. You can decide to stand if you want, but me, I decided to sit. Alright, so you sit, drink the water, and then pretend like something is choking you, then you can stand up to vomit it, and then do like you are shocked. Okay, so that's the second clip, and that's all. Then you save the video and then head over to your Capcut for the tutorial. Guys, please don't forget to like this video, drop your comments and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so you import the video to your Capcut, mute all the audio, we don't need the background sound. Okay, so this place that you jumped here, that you jumped up, you click on split, you highlight the video, just find the place that you jumped up, that your legs were not touching the ground. Highlight the video and click on split. Okay, then all these places that you walked in, they are not necessary, you delete it. Okay, then you scroll and look for the place you ran out of the camera. Click on split, then you keep scrolling, keep moving. All the places that you brought the chair and sat down is not necessary, so immediately you cross your leg, you come back to this one, to the place that you walked in, you carry the chair and click on highlight the video and delete it. They are not necessary. So you go to the end after you have shot and do some other thing. The place that you are walking at, they are not necessary too, so you click on split and delete this one. The place that you are working out, they are not necessary. Okay, so this first clip, you are going to highlight it and look for overlay so that you can bring it down. Okay, you look for overlay, this overlay, you bring it down, and then still on the same overlaid clip, you look for remove BG. Okay, so you look for remove BG. You can choose a custom remover or auto remover depending on you. If you are subscribed to Capcut Pro, you choose auto remover, it's going to be faster. Otherwise you choose custom remover and you carefully remove the background. Okay, you carefully remove the background of the one that you jumped up, the overlaid clip. You carefully remove the background. When you are done removing, you wait for it to remove completely, then you click on check, cut out to apply, you click on check. So this is what we have. Don't mind my own, it's because I use the custom remover, that's why it is that way. Okay, if you are subscribed to Capcut Pro, your own will be better. So you highlight the overlaid video and move it to the place that you wanted to spit the water. Immediately the water came out from your mouth, just at the exact place that the water came out from your mouth. That's where you are going to move the video to. That's where your overlaid video is going to start from. Okay, so you move a little bit and highlight the keyframe. Move a little bit and highlight, just a little bit, and highlight the keyframe. Then you come back at the center and reduce the size of your video. Reduce the size of your video. As you're reducing it, you are taking it to your mouth. Reduce it to the extent that no one will be able to see it, even you can't see it properly. Okay, As you are reducing it, you are taking it to your mouth. So let's play the video. Sharp. This is how your own should look. Let me play it from the beginning so that you see. This is how your own should look, just exactly like this. Exactly like this, like you vomited it from your mouth. You can see the editing is very simple. You can choose to split this one and delete it, or you just leave it like that. Once you are done, you click on export and save your video. Thanks for watching.